Today I'm reviewing SUNONEP Poppets Fidget Ball. This is a really cool poppet fidget that's also a ball. So the ball, if you were to throw it across the room, doesn't stay together in a ball form. It kind of falls apart, but that's okay. So we have all the different pieces, and 4 of the 6 pieces all have poppets. So there's volleyball, baseball, football, and a soccer ball. And the shapes of the overall figure are on the little poppet bubbles, so it creates a very different sort of feel to the poppet ball. So these are really cool, they're fun, and then they can be put together in the puzzle formation, which is the ball, at any point in time, and they sort of twist in together, and it's pretty cool so that little learners can learn to piece them together in the right order, and people with anxiety can just play with it and take it apart, and just really fun. So these are new hit things for kids in school. They love playing with all of my little poppet toys. Thanks for listening and watching my video. This is the SUNONEP Poppet Fidget Ball toy. And there we go.